Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Harmalim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Dr. Mukul Sangma calls MDA government puppet of the BJP. TMC stretches its wing in South Garo Hills. Police are on the lookout for Bernard Rimpu and Marak MDC GHADC. And Dance War audition looks for talented dancers from Shillong. And now the news in detail. Exposing the MDA government as a proxy BJP government, TMC leader Dr. Mukul Sangma stated immediately after the 2018 elections, the BJP implemented the current MDA government in our state. With regard to the areas of differences between Meghalaya and Assam, we had submitted a document in 2011 to claim back our rightful land. However, after the visit of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, the puppet MDA government simply obeyed their diktats like an obedient servant. This entire false narrative in Meghalaya is scripted by the BJP.
Today are unlike the politicians of the past. I have told you that I started my innings in 1992. I am the senior most MLA in Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. It doesn't matter who is in the government. It doesn't matter who is in the government, which party is in the government.
TMC Meghalaya is trying to spread its wings by holding local level meetings of booths 34 and 35 today at Siju Duramong booth in Rongara Siju Assembly constituency of South Garo Hills district. Local leaders of the party claim that a good number of local residents attended the meetings at the grassroots level in the area. Plans for 2023 elections were discussed in the meeting. Leaders including Dr. Rajesh R. Marak, Pedindro M. Sangma, Therial R. Sangma, Nakseng S. Marak and Rojen Singh Marak were also present in the booth level meeting.
Antadani makna depet, demi kacul kurai. Dukung ni pemandiran muka demiatna, jakus nulak tukaha. Ini gemen, yang political party rambung zamaina, NGO bong zamaina, gelzani gelgapara bong.
Lekin Wildan Marak.
On February 28, 2022, Tura police station had received an FIR from the mother of a minor girl who was missing from home for 1 week, and on that day, the relatives of the minor traced her along with one suspect and handed over to Tura Women Police Station. Later, it was ascertained that the minor was sexually assaulted multiple times over a period of 1 week. Immediately, a special operation was launched on July 23rd from 6 p.m. till 5 a.m., which is still going on. The main accused, namely Bernard Rimpu and Marak, was verbally instructed to cooperate with the investigation and surrender himself at Shillong Sardar Police Station immediately. However, he has not cooperated and is evading arrest at the time of issue of this press release. The search operation is continuing.
1956. The owner of that resort, Mr. Bernard R. Marak, he is not found available at his residence or in Shillong. We got the information that he was in Shillong. When the police went there, he was not found there. So now the last location was in somewhere near Guwahati, and after that the mobile phone is showing switched off. So the investigation is continuing now.
On the 23rd of July 2022, the Bombay Vibes Studio organized the Dance War auditions held at Limekra, Shillong at Megha Warriors Dance Academy. This audition is to select participants for the All India Dance Championship 2022 competition to be held at New Delhi. It is a great platform for the dancers of Shillong. Today's selection opens the channels for talented dancers of Shillong who had come to show their skills and now are waiting for the results. Those who are selected will be competing in the national level with dancers from different states of the country.
Program which I've been selected to be a judge of Shillong audition, and this is kind of a great opportunity for the dance enthusiastic people, those who are into dance, those who dream about dancing. It's not like small, program. It's all over India, and I'm very happy to be part of it. This is kind of a good opportunity for the dancers in Shillong because there's really great talent out here.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.